got his casket right there.
Woo!
And they're going to take on Wayne County. Here we come.
It's God's country out here. A beautiful night
That's
to
us.
fly in a war.
Yeah, told y'all. Told you.
We threw out some Channel 4 footballs as the
Thanks a lot,
Shut
bitch.
up,
You didn't
you
put
idiot.
me out there.
winning band walked in.
So the Wayne County cheerleaders are helping us throw out some footballs as well, but they want to dedicate it to Summer Jackson. Summer was the car wreck. I think it was last week or so. Hanging on there. You hang in there, Summer. You're going to be all right. They love you here.
As for the game, this was a huge showdown. The champions jumped out like champions. Quarterback Jared Karkuff with a strong arm, and the deep pass to a wide-open Carson Tapley. Deep in Wildcat territory.
This Dawn.
With the defense hunkered down on 4th and goal, Karkuff rolls left, fires the ball, tipped in the air, and batted away.